Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this large dresser that we're going to redo, so follow along. Alright, pretty straightforward project today. What we're going to do is we're going to remove all the drawers and the doors. We're going to take off the hardware, the hinges, everything like that, so we can get it ready to be sanded. Once we've got it sanded, wipe it down, vacuum it out, get it prepped for paint. Now, I haven't picked a color yet. I think maybe black for this piece. We'll figure that out here as we progress. So let's start getting the hardware off, start looking at the underframe, and make sure there's no issues that we haven't seen yet. Alright, hardware is off. We can start sanding now. Got my DeWalt sander, 120 grit sandpaper. We're just scuffing the sheen off of it. Make sure all the pieces look good. Frame looks good. Sub parts look all tight. So we're good there. Just going to spend about an hour sanding all this down, all the drawers, and then we can start vacuuming and wiping it down, getting it ready for paint. So let's get started. Alright, looks like our battery died when I was sanding. Lucky you guys didn't have to see all that. But we got it all done. We wiped it off, vacuumed it out, and now it's all prepped and ready for paint. So we're going to use our Behr priming paint. This is carbon black. We're going to use our wedge brush. We're going to do the back side of our drawers or doors twice so we can flip them over while we're doing the door fronts. Then we can work on the frame. So we've got a lot of painting. This is quite the big piece. We'll get it done here soon. So let's get started. Alright, so we've got it all painted. We've got 2 layers on. What we're going to do is we're going to take our 120 grit sandpaper. This has been worn down a little bit, so it's not as gritty as a brand new piece. And what we're going to do is just give it a light scuff around the whole piece. We'll do the doors, the drawers, and then we can start waxing it. So let's go nice and easy. Go with the pattern that you want. Don't make any circles. And we'll get it down here pretty quick. Alright, so we've got our finishing wax here. We're going to do all the pieces. We vacuumed it all up. Put this on. We can start putting hinges on, get everything put back together, and get some pictures of this completed. is carbon black. We did a light scuff job on it. Gave it a nice wax to seal it. Yeah, came out pretty nice. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, and maybe even give yourself a try at doing one of these.